Happy Wednesday, everybody. Um, we could be grateful right away that it is a chilly Wednesday morning, but the sun is out. And that is always a game changer for me when it comes to days. I don't mind gloomy days every once in a while if I'm going to sit around watching a movie or something or getting all snuggly and cozy and drinking hot chocolate or whatever. But the sun is just always a gift to, especially in January. So if you haven't found something to be grateful yet, then that's it. That's it. Okay. So this morning and this afternoon, our together time with the first half hour of class will be focused on our vocabulary slides for a new community text that we are reading, because now we are going to call them community texts because we will all be reading this text together in addition to the things that we're reading in our groups. It's called Blancaflor. And you're like, Blanco, what? Blancaflor, it is a folk tale. And I'm super excited because we have not read a folk tale this year yet. I mean, you might have, but we haven't read it as a community text. So this is going to be super fun to study the elements of a folk tale. It's very different than a narrative, an expository, and a persuasive. I mean, it is a narrative, but it's a narrative with a purpose. So we are going to be doing our vocabulary slides for that. The vocabulary slide procedure has changed a little bit. You're getting a little bit more freedom. You're getting a little bit more responsibility because you've shown that you're ready for that. You've shown that you can step up to that. You don't need as much guidance, and that is a super exciting thing to celebrate. That represents your growth this year. And we have to measure growth a little bit differently this year, and that's it. And so we're there, and that it should calm any worries that you might have. And then we will be in our groups. Your independent work is all the same again today, just because we haven't really started the actual content of the group work. So the independent work will be the same for everybody today. And it's similar to yesterday with one addition. I will go over that before we begin. And then in social studies, we are going to be looking at the three branches of government: legislative, executive, and judicial. So we're going to look at those a little bit more in detail, and then we'll be looking at one at a time as we move forward. So I think that's enough for now. I hope you're having a fantastic morning so far, and let's get started.